Today is January 1st, 2026, and I guess that's the first vlog of the year. I just woke up, my voice is terrible. I hope 2025 have been good for you and that 2026 will be even better. And if you had any trouble this year, I hope this year everything would be solved. And for me, I can say 2025 has been such a good year, and I'm pretty confident about 2026. So let's start this year together. My husband woke up and made me a coffee. Don't touch my coffee!
Hey, ready for the fashion week or not?
Who thought that preparing pizza would take so much time? Between the dough, the cheese to cut, the ingredient to cut, everything to prepare, the tomato sauce to do, and so on. I have to wake up at 7:30 to be ready at 1:30 or 2 p.m. But it's fine. It's our own business, so we put a lot of heart into what we are doing. Plus, we are a good team, so that's nice to work together.
What was it?
Quality control. And there was the door.
Go eat outside.
I have no time.
What do you mean, Yvette?
I need to cut the cheese.
I won't do it, I told you.
I said I want to do it.
Just f***ing go.
See how how he talks to me? I have proof!
The hardest when we work is to find time for ourselves, to rest, to eat, to prepare ourselves, and even to pray. Now we made a good schedule, so we can do that. But at first, when we started, we were a bit all over the place, and it was hard to manage. I am still trying to be very strict on my skincare, because if I don't, my skin dries so fast. And since I'm not in Korea with Korean product anymore, I have to be even more careful. Today the weather is bad and we will spend the day outside working. So honestly, no fashion sense today. Just practical. Let's go.
It's Google my Google.
After putting the cats inside, because obviously we don't keep them when we work, I sanitize the whole place, clean the oven, clean the floor, and then start to make the boxes, to prepare everything outside, put everything out, check the last details, while my husband is taking care of the orders and the deliveries. It's a little bit like the calm before the storm. But what we didn't know is that this day and the day after, we would have to take a very big decision. Because of the weather, because of the cold, the conditions and so on, we decided that we needed to upgrade the place. As you can see, it's all open. But the wind is passing through, and even if we are in Egypt, it's still very cold in winter, especially at night when we are working. So, we decided to upgrade the place. I will show you that in the next video.
The wind is coming toward my face.
Today we were sold out again, and it's almost 8:30. We'll be done very soon. We'll make our own pizzas and go to rest.
The cheese doesn't fit and it's tasteless.
The pepperoni, look, they are not sticky.
It's falling.
I swear to God, I didn't touch it. The gate is open up.